Hey guys, today we're installing a Tusk Comp Series aluminum front bumper on our Yamaha Blaster. Now this not only looks way better than the stock one, but you're getting some additional protection in the front and it's easy to grab onto if you get stuck. So this is a great accessory for any ATV and it's easy to install. So let's go ahead and get started. This bumper uses your stock mounting locations. So all you have to do is pull the old one off and reuse that hardware to put this one on. Some of them are going to be a 3 mounting hole design, but other ones are going to be a 4 mounting hole. So you're going to have two mounting holes up here instead of the one in the middle. And then depending on your ATV, you may or may not need to remove this front cover. On ours, we do. I'm going to remove the 2 lower mounting bolts first and then the top. Now we just need to set the new one in place and reinstall our hardware. Now you do have just a little bit of adjustability with this, so get it where you want it and tighten the hardware down. All that's left for us is to reinstall our front cover, and that's it. This thing looks way better than that stock front bumper, and again, we're getting some additional protection on there. If you need one of these, you can pick one up on our website. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.